How to use Bumble swipe features. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily work on this. First of all, open the application. So now we in this people section. Here, this is the place where you can find different people and dates. Now, basically there are three swipe features that are available: left, right, and top. So I'm gonna explain you what all these features do. So if you swipe left, it means you don't like the person or you want to reject it. But if you swipe right, it means you like it. So basically a like is given. Now here, if you scroll up or swipe up, basically this is the place where you can know the bio or other things about the person. So it's very simple. Right for liking, left for ignoring, and simply swiping up for knowing more details. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.